Not there, you have to click here, person, and then star. It will be removed from there. So just click this star, this button, star, person will be there. Once person will be there, just click this export file. Export file, like select all persons, enter the admin password, export. Then you can see from this icon if it's downloaded completed, it will be showing here. So once completed, you can just click this file. It will open to your Windows Explorer. This is the Excel file. You see, this is the Excel file. So when you open this one, just enter the details as required. Okay.